Okay, welcome back, everybody. Ben, Rob, Sean, Ben, Rob, Sean, Ray. Anyway, it is Rob's turn for US, and he bought three transports for the Eastern United States: three men, one sub, one destroyer, and two artillery pieces. For Sea Zone 10, he bought a destroyer, a sub, and a tactical bomber to be placed in San Francisco. Rob decided to take one of his bombers from Honolulu, fly it all the way up to Sea Zone 5, and take out two Japanese transports. He has, however, not enough gas to land any place safe. He's now in Sakar, surrounded by the Russians. He also moved from 26 a cruiser up to Sea Zone 7. Let's see, what else did he do? He took his two transports from Sea Zone 10, picked up two men and an artillery piece, and headed down to 26 to drop them off in Hawaii. He took his fighter that was in Midway and landed it aboard the carrier that was already in Sea Zone 26. He moved two transports from Sea Zone 26, carrying a total of 4 men, down to 54, dropping them off in Queensland. From Sea Zone 33, he had a artillery piece. He grabbed that with his transport that was already there and the entirety of his Navy and moved it all to Sea Zone 54. Brief tally of that, in the end, when I clean everything up, will be one carrier with a tactical bomber and a fighter, one sub, one battleship, one destroyer, one cruiser, 3 transports. And on Queensland, we can add an American artillery to the grand total. And 26, the grand total after his movements will be one carrier with one fighter, 2 transports, 3 subs. On the mainland itself, he'll have 2 men, 1 AA, 1 artillery, 1 mechanized unit. Midway, he still has a man and an AA gun. A sub he had in 110, and he brought that down to 26 as well. Now, moving over to the other side of the map, let's see. He took a sub in through Gibraltar along with 1 fighter and attacked my Italian destroyer. I don't know what the results of that were. I'll find out soon enough, I'm sure. He took 1 transport from 101, came down to 86, dropping off a gun. He also had a transport there, and that brought 1 mechanized and 1 infantry into Gibraltar. After this battle, he went and attacked with 3 planes and a destroyer, the destroyer for Germany. That is attacked by 3 fighters and a destroyer. After that battle, I'm assuming he made it all the way up to 110 per his instructions, where if everything is successful, I'm sure it will be, he'll have 2 carriers with all his planes, unless he loses any, 1 battleship, 1 cruiser, 1 destroyer, 2 transports. On his way up, he brought on those 2 transports 2 men, 1 artillery piece, 1 tank. And then he had 2 other transports in the United States in 101. They came back down to 91 as well, and they dropped off 2 men and 2 mechs. So, in Gibraltar, there will now be 3 men, 3 mechs, and there'll be 3 American transports sitting in 91. If all goes well, that'll be it for the U.S. Again, his placements, he's going to be putting a sub and a destroyer in Sea Zone 10. He's going to be putting a tactical bomber in San Francisco. He's going to be putting 4 infantry in the United States. He's going to be putting 3 transports in Sea Zone 101. He's also going to be placing 2 artillery pieces in Eastern United States, as well as a sub in 101 and a destroyer in 101. I believe I have everything correct. Any mistakes, as always, bring them to my attention. That's it for US.